Today we're going to make a strawberry trifle. I love strawberries, and strawberries are starting to be in season, so I wanted to make this as a dessert. So let's get to cooking. I've taken about 2 pounds of strawberries. I've taken the core off the top, you know, the leaves, and I've washed them, drained them, pat them dry, and these are it. I tasted of them, and they were kind of tart, so I put not even 1/4 cup of sugar in them to help them out there. I left out about 5 of them, and I did the same thing, cored them, washed them, rinsed them off, sliced them for the top. And so let's get to making this. Got them sliced, and this is Strawberry Glaze. You can get it at any stores. It either comes in a little container like this or a plastic little bag thing. And I'm going to put it with the strawberries. You can make a trifle out of just about anything. You can use pudding, and not even fruit. You could use blueberries, pineapple, peaches. If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. This is a trifle bowl, or you can use just a regular bowl, but it needs to be deep because you're going to be layering it. I'm using angel food cake, but you can use angel food cake, you can use pound cake, you can use just regular yellow cake, and just, you want to slice it up into little cubes like this. And then Cool Whip, I got 2 Cool Whips, and that's what all goes in it. So we're going to start with the angel food cake. We're going to put it in there, a layer. We're going to put the Cool Whip. I'm just going to lay the strawberries down, kind of push them to the side. I have put blueberries in here with this. It's really good. Or you can just sprinkle it on the top. Check out my Etsy store for merchandise. I've used vanilla pudding, all kind of other puddings to make this before. It's just endless possibilities. This is my favorite. I'm not going to put the layer of cake on there. I'm going to put the strawberries so they can. And this thing will get heavy after you get all this in there. These dishes are pretty cheap. You can get them $10, $15 at Walmart, or even better yet, go to the thrift store. We got the Cool Whip and the last layer on here. Now we're going to put the strawberries. You can see as I spin it around, you can see the layers and the gel and the as you can see, the pattern I use, you can do anything, but I always use this one. If you want to cut the calories, you can use Splenda when you put it, that little bit of sugar in there. But if you don't need those. If if my strawberries were just a little bit more ripe, they would be sweet. Or you could use, well, angel food cakes, pretty good. You can use light Cool Whip to put in there, or sugar-free pudding, or, you know, you just do anything, a lot of options. And I know you're gonna like it if you like strawberries. And you need to put it in the refrigerator after you're through, like, you know, put it in the refrigerator and keep it in there until you're ready to serve it. This is delicious. It's a cool, refreshing dessert. It don't take very long to make. I hope you make it, try it, and as always, God bless. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.